Sun did not shine. It was too wet to play, so we sat in the house on that cold, cold, wet day.
I sat there with Tiff, we sat there, we two, and I said, oh, how I wish we had something to do.
All we could do was sit, 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 and we did not like it, not one bit.
Hey, Tiff, let's go to Lakeside. What do you think about that? We can call our small group the Cat in the Hat.
So off we went, Jared and me. We drove fast as can be. We're looking forward to our week, and that's a fact. We're your small group leaders, the Cat in the Hat.